Thank you for joining me for this DIY candle making workshop for beginners. Let me ask you this. Why make your own candles rather than buy them in the shop? If you, like me, love candles and use them all the time at home for meditation or therapeutic purposes, you would appreciate the following benefits of homemade candles. For your health, the vegetable waxes are free of paraffin and other chemical additives that emit dangerous toxic elements in the air. Besides, if you are using pure and natural essential oils, you're adding the benefits of aromatherapy. For environment, the wicks are made of cotton and the containers are recycled and recyclable. For your budget, DIY candles are cheaper compared to commercially made candles of good quality. For your creativity, the possibilities to personalize your project are endless in terms of containers you choose, or colors, or flavors, and decoration, according to your taste and any occasion. Also, handmade candles make a perfect gift idea for your loved ones. During this workshop, you're not only going to learn step-by-step candle making process, but I will also share some practical tips and tricks, namely, how to choose the right ingredients and calculate the proportions of wax, flavors, and colorants you need, depending on the result you're looking for, the difference between the essential oils and aromatic essences and how to find out which ones are appropriate to use in candle making, several techniques of wick placing, a lot of practical advice for beginners such as your working space, the utensils to use, and how to clean them once you're done.